Meet the giant that disappears, the Atlas Moth. This magnificent moth boasts a wingspan of nearly a foot wide, but don't be fooled by its size, it's a master of disguise. Its wingtips resemble the head of a snake, deterring predators. Despite its grandeur, the Atlas Moth has a short life. It lives for only about 2 weeks. During this time, it searches for a mate. This quest for love is essential for its survival. Once mated, their purpose is fulfilled. After this, they vanish into the wild. The Atlas Moth's life is a fleeting moment of beauty. It reminds us of nature's wonders and fragility. Every creature plays a role in the ecosystem. The Atlas Moth is a symbol of transformation. It teaches us to appreciate the moment, so next time you see a moth, think of the Atlas, a giant that disappears, leaving behind memories. Celebrate the beauty of nature's fleeting wonders.